In this video, I am going to give you a quick overview of Google Calendar and how it can help you keep track of your Google Classroom assignments, as well as any Hangouts that you are scheduled to join with your teachers. So on the Google view, up here is my name or my image. I am using a test student account, so obviously it's not showing my image, but it would show yours. Right next to that is what we can call a waffle menu because it kind of looks like a waffle. So if you click on that, and here's your classroom button, right here is your calendar button. So if you click on the calendar button, the first time you go in, it might ask you a couple of questions, such as allow notifications or not on your desktop. I usually tell them no because I don't like pop-up notifications on my computer, but it might help you to know when things are happening to have those pop up for you. If you would like help deciding if that is what works best for you with the notifications, please feel free to reach out to us and we will help you figure that out. Over here, you can click on what view you want. So right now I'm in the entire month view, so I see the entire month. And right here, I can change it to week. And that makes it a little bit easier for me to keep track of what's going on during the week. In my opinion, you can do it however you would like. Any day that is circled, that is today's date. So let's say I click on this button to go to the next week, and then the next week, and I look at whatever it is I'm looking at and I want to go back to today. I can either click back on this arrow or I can just click the today button and it puts me back on today's date. If I want to look at a day view, I can click there again and just click on day. I can also move it forward or backward on days, and that shows me what's happening during that day or what is scheduled for that day. I can look at schedule view, which is more of what I would call an agenda view. Right now it's popping up starting with tomorrow because that's the day I had selected. So if I click on today, then it will go back to today's view. Now let's say that I have a question or I want to look at this assignment. I can click on it here, just like I can in the regular calendar view. And if I click that link, it will take me directly to that classroom. And I can do whatever I need to here. If I have a Google Meet scheduled, I can click on that in my calendar and I can click join. And that'll take me right to it. And I can do that from any view within the calendar. So there's the assignment. Again, I can click on it and take me to the assignment in Google Classroom. And here is the meeting. So I could very easily click here and go to the meeting. Over here is how you control what calendars are showing over here. So this student, which again is a test student account, has several classrooms. If we wanted to turn one off so we no longer see the events or the assignments, then we just deselect it. If we want to turn that back on, we can reselect it. If you have any questions or you need any help, please let us know. That is the end of this video. Thank you.